Stellar Radiance Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. Now, let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation base gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this gel as base color. Apply the base color evenly. Cure under a UV lamp for 60 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. Apply these two color gels to nail tips. Use the gradient brush to create gradient effect. We need a magnetic wand to create a wide cat eye effect. Cure for 60 seconds. Let's apply nail rhinestones. Apply rhinestone glue to the nail plate. Use the tweezer to pick up rhinestones and paste on nail plates. Cure for 30 seconds. Top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.